Time does not run, it simply carves each step. In every wrinkle, a golden lesson kept. The world shouts too much, forgetting what matters most. But quiet waters are always flowing deepest. Evil carves loudly, building castles out of sand. But truth still holds the line, the ground on which we stand. Good's victory is not in thunder, nor in flashes of war. It lives within the part of the heart, where one fire still burns. Step by step, through the fog and smoke, we walk toward the light, each on our own road. The night can be long, and the journey hard, but at the end of the road, living water always waits. Fate does not ask if you have fallen in the dust, only if your heart had strength to rise again with trust. Truth is not in strength, nor in the sharpness of the blade, but in the hands that lift you when the candle starts to fade. For every sunrise gives birth to a day, even if the night endured without a song to play. And as long as love still lives within our eyes, good will not be lost. Even without us, step by step, through the fog and smoke, we walk toward the light, each on our own road. Let the years pass by like the rivers flow. Good leaves eternal, undying traces in its wake. Step by step, even through the dark, the light will be born first within your heart. For at the end of the road, not gold and not power, only love and truth, only love and truth. Living water, goodness conquers quietly, not with a cry, but with a heart.